Tell me, is it clear that I still wanna be?
What's up everyone? Welcome back to another honest review. Today, we are taking a closer look at the DOOGEE Blade20 Turbo, a rugged smartphone that promises to be built thin, built tough, and last long. With flagship-like specifications, massive battery life, and a sleek, functional design, this device is aimed at those who need performance in extreme conditions. Well, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Let's start with the design, because a rugged phone should look and feel the part. The Blade20 Turbo leads with an industrial yet refined design. At just 15.8mm thick and weighing 333 grams, it ranks as one of the thinnest rugged phones on the market. The aviation-grade aluminum titanium alloy frame keeps it lightweight without compromising durability. Certified IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, it's engineered to endure drops, water, dust, and extreme environments. Heat resistant and tested to handle temperatures from -20°C to 70°C, it's ready for work or travel under harsh conditions without looking like a toolbox. Moving to the front, the display keeps things clean and functional. The 6.6-inch HD Plus notchless punch display offers a distraction-free visual experience. With a 90Hz refresh rate and a 20:9 aspect ratio, the screen feels smooth during interaction and balanced for content viewing. Though the resolution lands at 720x1612, the color depth of 16.7 million ensures vibrant, natural visuals. The punch hole design maximizes screen real estate while maintaining a durable form. Indoors or outside, clarity and responsiveness stay consistent for media, work, and day-to-day use. Under the hood, the hardware brings solid, reliable power. At its core, the Blade20 Turbo runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, supported by 8GB RAM and up to 24GB virtual memory. It features 256GB of storage, expandable to 2TB. With an Antutu score of 576,000, it handles productivity and daily tasks with solid consistency. And when it's time to unwind, the gaming performance holds its own. Gaming performance is solid thanks to the Dimensity 7050 chipset and an efficient heat dissipation system. Demanding titles like Genshin Impact and Need for Speed run smoothly at medium settings, with stable frame rates and no noticeable thermal throttling. The 90Hz display adds fluidity, while touch response stays sharp during fast-paced action. The internal thermal management keeps heat levels in check even after extended play, making the Blade20 Turbo a capable gaming companion. Endurance is a major strength, and the battery proves it. At the heart of the Blade20 Turbo is a 10,300 mAh dual-cell battery built for endurance over everything else. With a 30% boost in energy density, it holds more power without increasing bulk. We can easily get up to 14.5 hours of video playback or 31 hours of music. Charging is handled by a 33-watt wired system. For multi-day trips or long shifts, this battery delivers consistent uptime without needing a midday top-up. Photography stays practical and focused on real-world use. The Blade20 Turbo features a triple camera setup, a 50MP main lens for sharp, balanced shots, a 2MP macro for close-up detail, and a 16MP front-facing camera for clear selfies and video calls. Image quality holds up well in daylight and indoor lighting. with accurate colors and good contrast.
I want you to know that I'll be close through the darkest when the sky is getting bright. I hold you, I'll never let you go when you're falling. I'll be closer.
AI functions assist with scene optimization, adjusting settings in real time for better results. The camera system delivers dependable performance for everyday photography, whether capturing people, objects, or moments on the move.
Tell me, is it clear that I still wanna be? I see you denying when I know that I made it clear. I want you to know that I'll be close through the darkest when the sky is getting bright. I'll hold you, I'll never let you go when you're falling. I'll be closer.
Functionality is rounded out by software and security that work quietly in the background. Running on Android 15, the Blade 20 Turbo offers a clean current software experience with improved stability and responsiveness. The interface is fluid with minimal bloat and smart integration of system-wide AI enhancements. A customizable side button allows quick app access, flashlight control, or screenshots, adding functional versatility without cluttering the UI. Security is handled by a responsive side-mounted fingerprint scanner and 2D face unlock, offering fast, convenient access. To wrap up, the Blade 20 Turbo proves that rugged doesn't have to mean bulky or outdated. The DOOGEE Blade20 Turbo combines rugged resilience with smart design and powerful hardware. It's thin for its class, tough by design, and built to last longer than most, both in battery life and physical endurance. Check the link in the description. And I have managed to get a discount code for you, so go ahead, use that. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.